Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Plant resistance against water deficit stress. This is the fifth lecture of the plant stress physiology और उसका जी सेकंड पार्ट है ऑस्मोटिक स्ट्रेस चेंजेस जीन एक्सप्रेशन। जैसा कि हम पहले भी बात कर चुके हैं कि जैसे ही स्ट्रेस जो है वो प्लांट्स उसको पे अवेल करती है तो वो जीन्स जो डेवलपमेंट और ग्रोथ में इन्वॉल्व होने वाले प्रोटीन्स को प्रोडक्शन में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं उनको स्विच ऑफ कर दिया जाता है मोस्टली ज़्यादातर, और वो जीन्स जो ऐसी प्रोटीन्स या ऐसे ऑस्मोलाइट्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं जो स्ट्रेस में टॉलरेंस में इन्वॉल्व होते हैं उन जीन्स को स्विच ऑन कर दिया जाता है। Accumulation of compatible solutes in response to osmotic stress requires the activation of metabolic pathways that biosynthesize these solutes. Several genes coding for enzyme associated with osmotic adjustment are turned on, upregulated by osmotic stress, salinity, and core stress. Some important genes encode enzymes 1-pyrroline 5-carboxylate synthase, a key enzyme in the proline biosynthesis pathway. Betaine aldehyde dehydrogenase, an enzyme involved in glycine betaine accumulation. Myoinositol 6 orthomethyltransferase, a rate limiting enzyme in the accumulation of cyclic sugar alcohol called penitol. The expression of glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate dehydrogenase increases during osmotic stress, perhaps to allow an increase of carbon flow into organic solutes for osmotic adjustment. Enzymes involved in lignin biosynthesis are also controlled by osmotic stress. Some enzymes are inactivated. The accumulation of sugar alcohol mannitol in response to osmotic stress appears not to be brought about by the upregulation of genes producing enzyme involved in mannitol biosynthesis, but these osmolytes help in downregulation of gene associated with sucrose production and mannitol degradation. In this way, mannitol accumulation is enhanced during episodes of osmotic stress. Activation of genes involved in membrane transport proteins. Other genes regulated by osmotic stress encode proteins associated with membrane transport, including ATPases and water channel proteins called as aquaporins. The protein ubiquitin tags proteins that are targeted for proteolytic degradation. Synthesis of messenger RNA for ubiquitin increases in Arabidopsis upon desiccation stress. In addition, some heat shock proteins are osmotically induced and may protect or renature proteins inactivated by desiccation. लिया प्रोटीन्स इनकी भी सेंसेस जो है वो ऑन कर दी जाती है ज़्यादा हद तक. A large group of genes that are regulated by osmotic stress was discovered by examination of naturally desiccating embryos during seed maturation. सीड एम्ब्रियो जब मैच्योर हो रहा था वहाँ पानी की कमी हो रही है, यानी वहाँ पे डेसिकेशन आ रही होती है. उस डेसिकेशन से बचाने के लिए वहाँ पे कुछ प्रोटीन को डिस्कवर किया गया जिनका नाम है late embryogenesis abundant proteins. These genes code for so-called LIA proteins, late embryogenesis abundant proteins, and they are suspected to play a role in cellular membrane protection. Although the function of LIA protein is not well understood, they accumulate in vegetative tissue during episodes of osmotic stress. The protein encoded by these enzymes are typically hydrophilic and strongly bind water. Water lover proteins हैं. Their protective role might be associated with an ability to retain water and to prevent crystallization of important cellular proteins and other molecules during desiccation. They might also contribute to membrane stabilization. Accumulation of ABA during osmotic stress. Osmotic stress typically leads to the accumulation of ABA, abscisic acid, So it is not surprising that products of ABA responsive genes accumulate during osmotic stresses. Studies of ABA insensitive and ABA deficient mutants have shown that numerous genes that are induced by osmotic stress are in fact induced by ABA accumulated during these stress episodes. However, not all genes that are upregulated by osmotic stresses are ABA regulated. So, stress responsive genes are regulated by ABA dependent and ABA independent processes. यानी दो processes हैं स्ट्रेस रिस्पॉन्सिव जीन्स को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए. नंबर वन है जी ABA डिपेंडेंट प्रोसेसर एंड सेकंड वन है ABA independent process. Gene transcription is controlled although the interaction of regulatory proteins, transcription factors with specific regulatory sequences in the promoters of the genes they regulate. Different genes are controlled by signaling pathway lead to the activation of these specific transcription factors. Genes that are regulated by osmotic stresses appear to be regulated either by signal transduction pathways mediated by the action of ABA dependent genes or by ABA independent osmotic stress response signal transduction path. ABA dependent processes. The promoters of ABA regulated genes contain a 6 nucleotide sequence element referred to as ABA response element ABRE, which bind transcription factors involved in ABA regulated gene activation. The promoter of these genes, which are regulated by osmotic stress in ABA dependent manner, contain an alternative 9 nucleotide regulatory sequence element, the dehydration response element dehydration response element, which is recognized by an alternative set of protein regulating transcriptions. और दूसरा मैकेनिज्म, दूसरा प्रोसेस जिससे स्ट्रेस जो है वो रिस्पॉन्स जीन एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं ABA independent process के जरिए at least 2 signaling pathways have been implicated in the regulation of gene expression in an ABA independent manner. Transacting protein transcription factors called dehydration response element B1 and B2 that bind to the DRE यानी dehydration response element. In the promoters of osmotic stress responsive genes are apparently activated by an ABA independent signaling cascade. Other ABA independent osmotic stress responsive genes appear to be directly controlled by so-called MAP kinase signaling cascade of protein kinase. Other changes in gene expression appear to be mediated via other mechanisms not involving EREBs. This diagram shows when there is osmotic stress, first सिग्नल एक्सेप्ट इसको करता है और जो है साइटोसोल में ABA की प्रोडक्शन होती है. ABA जो होता है वो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन फैक्टर्स को ऑन कर देता है. प्रोटीन सेंसेस जो होती है वो उसमें शुरू हो जाती है आल्टर जीन एक्सप्रेशन. तो जीन एक्सप्रेशन जो है वो उस तरफ जो है वो कर दिया जाता है, टर्न कर दिया जाता है जिसमें वो प्रोटीन सेंसेस की जाती है जो ऑस्मोटिक स्ट्रेस जो होती है उसमें टॉलरेंस पैदा कर सके. ABA इंडिपेंडेंट मैकेनिज्म के तहत मैप काइनेज जैसा कि हमने अभी डिस्कस किया और DREBs जो होते हैं प्रोड्यूस किए थे जो जीन एक्सप्रेशन को आल्टर कर देते हैं. ऑस्मोटिक स्ट्रेस टॉलरेंस ऐसी प्रोटीन बनाई जाती हैं जो ऑस्मोटिक स्ट्रेस से पौधे को जो काफ़ी हद तक महफूज होता है. थैंक्स डियर स्टूडेंट्स.